Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working through the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner, and we are on to number 23, One-Time Password. And just as a reminder, these are not complete programs. These are designed to be small segments of code that can be used as parts of larger TI basic programs. So with that said, we're going to read the program description, type it into the Classic 99 emulator, run it and see what we can learn. Okay, 23, one-time password. If you don't want unauthorized use of your programs, insert a requirement that a user know a password. This particular routine allows only one try at entering a correct password. For our password, we have selected elephant and stored it in line 30. You can change the password to whatever you like. If a correct attempt at entering the password is made, program action will progress to line 100. Otherwise, action drops to line 40 and action ends. Okay, very short program, so let's get moving here. Let's get into TI Basic and Classic 99. Okay, 10, call clear. Input, what is the password? I think we called this A string. Yep. Okay, 30. If A string equals elephant, then 100. If A string equals elephant, then 100. 40, print A string isn't it. I think it's a semicolon there, yep. Isn't it. 50, end. Of course, you know, realistically, someone could just list out the program and find the password, but, you know, details. 100, print, you got it right. So, no punctuation in there. Nope, I'm going to type it exactly as written. 110, print, now the program would run. Print, now the program would run. Okay, let's clear the screen, list out the program. Even though it's a short program, we're just going to look for any obvious typos. Oh, yeah, I got a typo. 100, print, you got it right. Don't forget for typing too quickly. Okay. Okay, well let's run this very short program. What is the password? So let's first of all get it incorrectly. Ostrich. Ostrich isn't it, and that ends the program. Okay, let's get it right this time. Elephant. You got it right. Now the program would run. And that is literally all this short, the book calls it a tip, programming tip, a tip and trick for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. That is all this tip does. That was number 23, one-time password. I'm going to peek ahead to see what number 24 is. 3 tries password. So we're going to do that in another video. I'm making a separate video for every one of these programs. If you are watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and some miscellaneous educational content. Same things on my Twitch channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel. If you're watching this live on Twitch, check out my YouTube channel. And in either case, I appreciate likes and subscriptions, especially subscriptions. Every little bit helps in these difficult times. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.